Hi, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, where we help people just like you start your own successful business on Amazon right here in Australia. We've helped over 2,000 folks here in Australia start their own successful Amazon businesses with sales of over $50 million. You can find out more by going to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. Amazon's been a complete biatch with regards to getting your shipments in. Quite an aggressive way of doing that. Complete bitch getting your shipments in. What the hell's going on? How can you prepare for that? And more importantly, what can you do to get your stuff selling faster? I'll show you right now. Amazon FBA inbound shipments. So right now it is a shit fight on Amazon. You probably have noticed, and this is specifically relevant to America. Okay, so right now in America there is a lot of crazy crap going on with getting our inbound shipments checked in to Amazon's FBA warehouses. So I thought I'd just talk a little bit about that and about some of the things that I am doing to mitigate those risks and the downside to my business that I've experienced. So first of all, what the hell is going on? Amazon has only got a limited amount of warehouses. They have only got a limited amount of availability to get shipments checked in, and as Amazon grows, the number of people that want to ship their products into Amazon's FBA warehouses, of course that grows, and therefore there are a lot of delays. Like, I know people within the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs that have been waiting over a month to get their products checked in. So they've arrived at the Amazon warehouse and it's been a month and they're still not checked into the warehouse so they can start selling them. Yeah. So think about that. That's pretty friggin' insane. Why? The reason it's happening is because Amazon's busy. They've got a finite amount of fulfillment centers and loading docks, okay? So what I'm doing, so two things I'm doing. The first thing I'm doing is I am factoring that into, so Amazon's inventory dashboard, which is where I am now, gives you this days of inventory number here, okay? You should just treat that as complete bullshit. You've got to add on 30 days into that. Right now, it's nuts. And it's only going to get nuttier because Prime is coming up. So you need to get your shit together. You need to get your stock in storage. That is actually pretty bad for cash flow, because if you are holding stock for longer periods of time, then of course that is bad for cash flow. So you need to take that into consideration for your budgets and how that affects your ability to launch new products. All those things are important. So the two things I'm doing, anyway, so the two things I'm doing. Thing number one is I am reordering my stock much earlier, like 30 days earlier than I really need it to be ordered, okay? Because I know it may well sit at the loading dock at Amazon for 30 days before I get it in, and so therefore I've got to be 30 days ahead of when I actually need it, so I can start selling. So that's thing number one I'm doing. Thing number two I'm doing, because of the restock limits, which you can just get to just down here, because of the restock limits and how that's changed as well, any new products that I launch, I am fulfilling them through what's called a 3PL, a third party logistics company. So I am not launching new products currently through FBA because A, it's taking me forever to get them checked in, which means I don't get the data I need to know whether or not I should be launching that product, whether it's going to win or not. And B, because of my restock limits. I mean, I sell a shitload of stuff. We send in, at least 100 shipments per month we're sending in, like a lot of shit. And I've got a really good history on Amazon, blah, blah, blah. But suffice to say, I can't launch new products using FBA at the minute because my restock limits don't allow that to happen. So I am using a 3PL to accept the goods and then send the shit out when I've done with it, all right? And I suggest you do the same right now. Right now. This is specific to right now. Now, that's in America. That's a very American-centric problem. There are problems in Australia, but it's nothing like as bad. There are problems in Canada, and the UK, but again, it's nothing like as bad. America is the worst for getting shit put into the storage. Anybody got any comments on that? Yeah, lots of people having to wait. You only have to look in the group to see if that's the case. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. That's how I'm dealing with it. All right. That's the video that was taken from the Aussie online entrepreneurs from our regular every week Monday night live Q&A that I do with all the over 2,000 members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. If you'd like to find out more about the Aussie online entrepreneurs, simply go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. See you on the inside.